Good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And today we're going to revisit Ethereum and talk about my price prediction that I did in the early spring. I said it was going to be an $8,000 Bitcoin. We only got 2 months left. It's been a hell of a ride. We didn't quite get there, but guess what, folks? We've posted all-time highs all the way through October, November. And guess what? I think that going into the spring, maybe that $8,000 will finally come in 2022. We still got a little bit of time yet for Ethereum to rally. It could possibly get to $6,000. I don't know if it's going to make it to 8,000, but I'll tell you what, for those people who have invested in Ethereum, congratulations. You're looking good. And when we look at the number of wallets, of the number of people now holding Ethereum, let's see if we can. It's a funny thing, they don't have that information about Ethereum on Coin Market Cap. I'm going to have to find another source that'll tell us how many people are actually holding Ethereum. But as you can see, it's been doing incredible things in the last 7 days, and it's just been a miracle investment for those folks who invested in Ethereum all year. Congratulations. Keep it up. This is not investment advice, but I have to tell you, if you don't have Ethereum in your portfolio, you are missing something. Like, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you on the next one.